Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake shooters. These delightful individual desserts are perfect for any gathering, offering a convenient and elegant way to enjoy cake. We'll cover everything from gathering your ingredients to creative presentation. Get ready to impress your guests with these charming, layered treats that are as fun to make as they are to eat. Let's dive into creating these mini masterpieces. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a baked cake, which can be homemade or store-bought, along with your favorite frosting. Consider adding fillings like fruit compote or chocolate ganache for extra flavor. Don't forget your 2-ounce or 3-ounce shooter cups and a piping bag fitted with a star tip for easy layering. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's assemble these delicious treats with precision. First, place a small 1-inch round of cake at the bottom of each shooter cup. Next, using your piping bag, add a generous layer of frosting or a chosen filling, like a fruit puree. Follow this with another cake layer, then more frosting, ensuring each layer is distinct. Repeat until the cup is nearly full, leaving space for a final flourish. The best part about cake shooters is the endless customization. Try pairing a lemon cake with raspberry frosting or a rich chocolate cake with peanut butter cream. Garnish your creations with fresh berries, chocolate curls, or a sprinkle of edible glitter for an extra touch of elegance. Chill them for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld perfectly. These delightful desserts are sure to be a hit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.